Meditation is all about the awareness. So, first time when I learned meditation, I didn't know that. I thought the object is important. So I was struggle and kind of like really my mind fixed with the breath, fixed with the sound. But later my father said, the object, whatever the physical sensation, sound, breath, whatever, is just support for the awareness. So essence of meditation is awareness. So I was feeling relief. Awareness meaning knowing. And our mind has special quality, which is the knowingness, the knows what you're thinking, feeling. And this cognition, the awareness, with you all the times, with you 24 hours, even while you're sleeping. Or sometimes what we call unconscious moments, which is sleep without dream, drinking too much alcohol and drunk, or moment of dying or faint. But still there is awareness. You have awareness, but if you're not recognize your own awareness, then that does not become meditation. Then the quality of awareness cannot manifest for you, cannot experience. Although awareness is free, pure, present, genuine, peaceful, all these good qualities, but if you not recognize awareness, we are stuck with the thought, emotion, perception. So, for example, do you know what is this? This is a watch. What is the quality of watch? It has time, right? If you have watch, if you are not recognize your own watch, even though watch has the quality to tell you time, but if you not recognize your own watch, no benefit. Watch cannot tell you time. So even the awareness is really perfect, but if you're not connected with awareness, if you not recognize awareness, then quality, then no benefit.